Hi, welcome back to another video.
The Halloween spirit is in the air. And if you're like me, you're just thinking about all the cool decorations that you can start making. Well, I wanted to share with you a list of 10 3D prints that I found that I think make excellent decorations. All of these are freely available, so I'll put links down in the bottom for you to look at them. And what's more important is we're not just going to print these, we are going to turn them into awesome decorations. And I've organized these in order based off of how much extra work I put into them, which also happens to be the order of how awesome they are. So if you want to see the really cool ones, you'll have to stick around till the end. Sorry about that. But let's get into it. Oh, and my daughter Zoe is going to help us out today.
Number 10. Yes. Okay, so this is a light switch cover that looks like a coffin. He painted it nice and black, like a coffin. And look, that's it on our beautiful wall. Yeah, isn't that so cool? Ooh, Number 9. Okay, now this is like a Grim Reaper thingy that like sits on the edge of your desk. It's quite shiny, if I do say so myself. Now he's adding some chalked thing. I don't know what that is, but oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. That's some pretty weird dolls, but yeah, it just looks nice. It's just a little guy sitting there. Number 8. So this looks like a bat hinge thingy. I'm not really sure, but it looks pretty cool. Maybe it's like a hanger where he puts things on. But anyway, he's putting some special powder on it. Don't do drugs, kids. It's pretty shiny. It's making it look silvery and metal-like, even though that's completely plastic and cheap. So he's making it look shiny, rubbing it all over. And yeah, it's an upside-down bat, it looks like. It also kind of looks like a door knocker. Oh, and this is the reveal. Isn't it so cool? It's like, yep. Oh my goodness, is that... Oh no, that's big scissors. Yeah, you just put some cute little things on it. It is a little holder. I don't know why he wants to show off those big scissors, but okay, man. Number 7. So now we have another bat thing. It looks like a candle holder. Here's like a good little look at it. Right now it looks silvery again. He likes making things look metallic. So right now he's adding some gold to it to make it look bronzy, because I feel like bronze is more gothic than gold. Maybe, I don't know, but right now he's rubbing all of that powder on. Again, don't do drugs, don't snort that. That is for art purposes only. So yeah, he's showing it off right now. Ooh, look at that. That's so cool. And this is the final reveal. You got a black candle, and it just looks cool with all the lights and stuff. It could basically have a black flame, you know, but like, don't summon anything. It looks pretty cool. Look at all those angles. Ooh, oh wow, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's a lollipop head, but looks cool. Number 6. So now he's got this skull looking thing. It's kind of like a bowl. It has some cool ridges on it, so it kind of looks more natural. Right now he's spray painting it with some bone colored stuff, and now he's painting some detail on it. It makes me uncomfortable. But yeah, he's patting it down with some, I think it's like wood glaze or whatever it's called. Now he's painting the inside with some paint, making it look all like old. Now he has some celiac stuff, which the point of this is to make it food safe, so you can put food in it. So once all of this is covered and dried, you can put whatever food you want in it. So yep, it looks like you just gotta do multiple layers because it's pretty thin. And here is the reveal. We got some Reese's Puffs, some kiwis. I love kiwis. And then we have some avocados. Number 5. Whatever this paste is, it kind of looks like Vaseline. He's adding some silver powder in it. He's mixing it together like a little experiment. And now he's putting it back in the container. Yes, reduce, reuse, recycle. So now he has this tiny cute little cauldron. He painted black. It's also 3D printed. So right now what he's doing is he's again putting a lot of powder on it. I guess he just loves the powder. He's making it super shiny all around to make it look more real and, you know, metallic-y, even though it's 100% plastic pretty much. But yeah, he made it all silvery so it looks nice and cool. Oh, hello there. It's the Grim Reaper again. And look at that, with all the potions too. There's little, I don't know what's in there, ducks or something, I don't know. But look at, ew, I don't like the feet. It's got toes. I don't like the toes. But yep, it looks pretty cool. It's got some stuff in it. It's perfect for indoor decorations. Number 4. Yay! Okay, so there's this skeleton lady thingy. Right now he's painting her ribs like bone color, and then she's painting her back of the dress kind of like a tan skin color. And right now he's just like doing lots of details, and he's gonna paint the dress blue because it's Elsa in another universe. So he's painting all of that because you will see what makes this so cool. But anyway, so now he's painting it light brown and adding some details and some red, I guess. But yeah, he's making it super shaded and stuff. Loki kind of looks like Scarlet Witch. And then now he's adding some paint in the middle of on the back of the ribs, like on the back part, to make it look like it's see-through-ish. Now he's adding more details to the dress to make it look less plain, and adding more details to the hair because why not. Then he's using that poly whatever it is spray. I assume it's just like a top coat. And he put it over, and look at that. It looks normal, but then when you look in the mirror, it's super spooky. Ooh, jump scare. Yeah, just like at the angle, it looks pretty cool. I don't know how he got the shot without getting himself in the mirror, but you go, girl. Number 3. So now he's got this jawbone. It looks pretty cool. This is going to be a phone holder or iPad holder, can't remember, but now he's painting it that skull color again. He's got some interesting things here, like that conjoined head. Anyway, so he's painting all his skull color, I guess. I don't know what to call it. Bone color. So he's painting all of it. Ooh, that's pretty flat. Oh, that's the iPad holder. Right now he's doing the little smudge thingy that he did on the bowl. The same process to make it look all detailed and gross. So yeah, he's doing this in all the deep areas, making it look all musty and crusty to make it look realistic. And oh, that's pretty drippy. But yeah, oh, he's making it even more drippy. Okay, I assume he's gonna wipe it off after, but right now he's just adding a lot more. That will be like the frame for where you put the iPad. Yeah, and there's a ton of jawbones. I wonder how many people he's killed. So now he has this one that he painted for my mom to match her little recipe thing. And then you put your phone in it, and then you could watch while you cook or do anything or eat, you know. I love to eat. And then this is it again. These are the ones that actually look like bones. Pretty cool. It's got the triplets. And he kind of looks a little derpy from that angle. But now this is the iPad holder. It can hold larger things or your phone again. but it's stable enough to put your iPad in. Number 2. Oh my goodness, this is an alien. So right now he's forgot what it's called, air spraying it. Yep, with purple paint. So he's like doing it in all the dark areas to make it pop a little more, I assume. Because ooh, look at that jawline, mogging all of us. Anyway, now he's like darkening the neck things. I forgot what they're called, but now he's continuing to put lots of purple details on his non-existent nose. And ooh, he's doing like some type of veins, like head veins, just like how bald people have it. It makes me uncomfortable, but I don't judge. If you're bald, you're bald. But yeah, he's adding these vein things, or they could be like lightning stuff, but I'm pretty sure it's veins. So he has that, and now he's spray painting it with some type of, I don't know, it looks like it's like a coat, or maybe it's like a little yellow. Oh no, it makes it look slimy. I don't like that. Ew. Now he's adding some more. I don't like this. Also, while he sprays this, make sure to subscribe because I need to eat tonight. So yeah, please do that. Anyway, so he's going to continue spraying this. Yep, speed that up, bro. You're pretty slow. So yeah, you can see how he added some more shadows in the crevices. And right now he's, just detailing the whole thing to make it like a color, not just fully white. So, yep, look at that face. Oh, and he painted the eyes black. And he's doing some more details, some more shadows. And then I believe soon he will repaint the eyeballs to a darker black, so it looks more void-like. But again, he's still doing details. Aha, there it is. He's making the eyes pretty dark so they can look into your soul, just like my cat. So yeah, he's being very precise with it. Ooh, we like that. Color in between the lines, or in the lines, I guess. That's what they teach you. Look at that reveal. It fits perfectly on his shelf. It will just stare at you while you're in a Zoom call. It's gonna steal your soul one day, abduct you, whatever you'd like it to do. Finally, number 1. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I saw him making this. This made me uncomfortable. So he 3D printed this bat thingy. I think it goes on a wall. Right now he's adding fur, like hair on it. This part made me the most uncomfortable. He's adding fur on it so it looks like an actual bat. He's using E6000 glue, which is really nice glue. It's nice and thick. You could use it for bedazzling stuff too. I recommend that glue. So yeah, he's just putting individual fur parts on it, on all the parts that should be furry, and then he's using this spatula looking thing to spread out the glue because nobody wants glue on their hands. I've glued my fingers together more than once with nail glue, so I do not recommend. So yeah, he's putting some more fur on it, making it have a little beard, little Hagrid over here. So he's starting at the neck, and then I believe he's gonna go all the way around. Yes, he is. So boom, now this is it covered all in fur. As you can see, the fur is a little long, so I think he will be combing it and cutting it a little bit. Yes, because we don't want it too long because then you won't be able to see the details, So he's going to be doing that. He's putting that around the nose so it's fully covered with fur. Now he's trimming it, giving it a little haircut, maybe a low taper fade. So yep, he's brushing it out so it's nice and thin. This still makes me uncomfortable. And now he's trimming it against the edges because it's just like those dogs who have like their fur in their eyes. But anyway, now he's adding some details. The ears kind of look like a hyena or whatever it's called. Or it kind of looks like a hyena. Now it looks like he's painting the inside, the mouth, with this deep pink purple color. And he's painting the eyes, the ears, kind of like this I don't know, fleshy color. And I don't, ugh. It just gets worse and worse. It's like good but bad, you know? Now he's painting the eyes. He's adding eyebrows. It's the big bag wolf with those eyebrows. Ooh, and he's making gross teeth. And the ears are nice and detailed. And he's brushing it again. You want to make sure you brush the hair very nicely. And look at that. It looks awesome on his wall. He stole my knife on there, just by the way. But yeah, it looks so cool from all angles. You can just hang it on your wall for fun. It's quite disturbing, but you know, if you're into that, you're into it. Honorable mention. So he made this cool double skull thing. Which, by the way, if you like this type of content and you want to see more, please like and subscribe so that YouTube knows to recommend this to you and it reaches out to more people. So yeah, you can look at his skull collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and he'll see you in the next one.